Good afternoon. Here's a quick little preview of Leatherman's cave just outside of Watertown. And since so many people hike this section and have difficulty finding it, if you're at this expansive overlook with the dual arrows where you turn around, you just head back down. You want to come down off the overlook, find this sign for the Mattatuck Jericho Junction, and go down this trail. Now, like most caves in Connecticut, it's sort of a jumble of boulders. Got this one open air chamber here. And for those who don't know the story of the Leatherman, he would travel a 400-mile loop through Connecticut and New York and stop and stay in caves like this year-round. If you want to know more, there's a whole book that's been written about him and plenty of articles. I'll link a couple. Here's the view down from atop that jumble of boulders. And all too quickly, you've reached the other side. See you next time.